What's up, everybody?
Hi.
Welcome back to another episode of
FilAmstagram.
Today, we're going to finish off our closet that we have in the back here. So, as we said previously, this is going to be a bathroom area with a closet. So, where Bing is sitting, there's actually going to be a sliding door. Where I'm sitting, this is going to be a shower. And then the toilet is going to be over on this side. This side is closet space for all of our clothes and other things. So as you can see, we have 5 shelves here, which allots for 6 spaces. This is tons of storage space. We're super happy about the way this turned out and actually how much space we have. So we're really excited about that. I'm just going to put this tung oil finish on it. Just basically get a rag, protect your hands, and just start ragging it on. And you usually have to do 2 or 3 coats, I think. Tung oil has been used in China for several centuries to waterproof boats, so this is what we're using. So what do we have, Bing, that goes with the shelves?
We have these foldable Oxford pop boxes that we got online, and smaller ones like these that they come as a set. And these have been perfect for this size, so they're basically almost made for each other, customized. This is a custom build, so we made them to fit these particular boxes. And so, very lightweight. It's not going to contribute any extra weight to our van. So we have one for each shelf, and
I do only one, not 2.
okay, we'll do.
You can do 2.
You can do 2. She wants to show you guys how easy it is to set up. If a 4-year-old can set up these boxes, so can you. They're very easy.
Good job, Miriam. I don't know if can I see that? Probably, huh?
Yeah, you just put the bottom in there. Yeah.
Honestly, this is a lot of storage space for us. I mean, we're really happy about it. We never could have anticipated it. I mean, we were thinking of some sort of closet back here, but never had I imagined that it'd be this much space. So we're actually, we're kind of losing part of the vehicle. A lot of people don't want to do showers and toilets areas because it takes apart, it takes a lot of the vehicle space. But for us, because this was already built in, this sunken area where I'm sitting, this is where the wheelchair came up. For me, it was just perfect. As soon as I saw it, I knew that could be a shower. And the beautiful thing about it is when the water is running, the water can't get to any other part of the vehicle because the vehicle's higher in every other spot. So, and then I looked over here and I saw a perfect opportunity for a toilet, a holding tank for our composted material. And so it just fit for us that this should be a storage space over here. Storage closet. It's just tons of storage. So I'm gonna start on the tung oil.
Okay, let's split.
You hyperlapse.
Where are you now? I'm waiting here. Sing for me sweet lullabies. Savior, I'll stay inside the lines. Don't let my prayers go unanswered now. Bright nights, everlasting darksome days. Bright nights, I'm wearing the stain you made of me, and I wait and I wait and I wait and I wait.
Okay, we're back. I'm gonna show you our final product here.
Alright, so I'm gonna hand Miriam these boxes and she's gonna put them on the finished closet shelves. Okay, go over here, Miriam.
She has a good method of putting the boxes in there, don't you, Miriam? How are you gonna reach that top one? Do you remember?
I'll give you the box.
Oh, she's gonna climb on me, eh?
Alright, this is called teamwork.
Yeah, this is fun.
Good. Alright, push it in. Good job.
All right. See, look, if a 4-year-old can do it, you can do it.
Next one.
Next.
Alright. Okay, next.
Hurry up before the storm rolls in. We have a thunderstorm brewing. It's another hot, humid day here in the Philippines. All right.
There.
Oopsies.
Right, next.
Okay. Next. I can't see. I guess I'll have to see it when everybody else sees it. Ooh. All right, do you want to go on my back now? I'll bend down.
She wants to stay there. For the next one, I think we have to step down. Okay.
That's what I was saying. I could
Yeah.
bend down like this.
Yeah.
You okay?
Okay, you can step on this.
Well, you're too far out now, aren't you? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Yes, yes. Here. This is gonna be your
See, this is easy.
It's gonna be your box, your drawer. Then you don't need to stand on anyone's drawer.
That's right.
And last one. Plastic. Alright, I think we have
Can you get it?
oops. There.
There, what is that for?
Oh, that's the microphone. Alright.
Whoa. Oh.
All right. Good job.
That's too low.
Too low. That's perfect. Good job, Miriam. Anyway, that's our closet. So we hope you enjoy it. We hope to enjoy it in the future. I'm sure Miriam's gonna be using it like a ladder. She already sees the. Oh, I don't think she sees the closet. I think she sees rungs.
Yep.
Okay, so that wraps up this episode, I think. And as always, sending love from the Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe.